Welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy, Genesis 1:4. Today I'm going to go over all the words and letters of Genesis 1:4 without the cancellation marks. They can also be called accent marks, tropes. And then the next lesson, lesson 16, this is 15, I am going to go over some of the accent marks that you would find in your Hebrew Bible, and I'm going to show you how to use them. There are lots of marks, but I am going to go over the basics to not overwhelm any student. So let's start with Genesis 1:4. Va yar Elohim et haor ki tov vayav del Elohim ben haor uvein ha-choshech. Ha-choshech. Okay. I'm also going to go over some of the vowel markers that we did a few lessons ago. So let's start with this one here. This is called the patach. The patach. This one is called shiva. Shiva. This one with the 5 dots underneath is called hataf sigol. Hataf sigol. This one is a chirik. Chirik. And this is the sigol. Sigol. I don't know. Did I tell you this one? Shiva. Shiva. Okay. This one here is called kataf kamatz. Kataf kamatz. Let's see if there's any other that have not been repeated. Okay, we did this one, sigol and tsere. Tsere. Okay, so let's try to read this one more time. Va yar Elohim et haor ki tov, vayav del Elohim ben haor u. Remember, I had said that whenever you see that little dot in front of this letter, you're going to think of someone just punching you in the stomach. So, u, right? U, vein, ha, cho, shech. Okay. Whenever you see this, it looks like RH, but there's a space in between here. You're going to pronounce it like hop, ha, ha. But when it's enclosed, think of someone trying to get air, but they don't have too much air because they're in an enclosed area. So you would pronounce it ch, ch. In this case, it would be cho and shech, shech. And whenever you see these two big marks here, these two dots, that means it's the end of that sentence. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and please don't forget to make sure you tell others about these free lessons, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Shalom.